stops, you're going to get some free samples. Now, our first stop, we're going to stop off at a local company started 4 years ago. They called TCTs. What they did, they took our Bahama fruits and our Bahama bush that grows right here on the island, and they juice them. Like the coconut, the soursop, the guava, the tamarind, the sugar apple, the strong back, the love wine, the 5 fingers. So, but ladies and gentlemen, listen up. The number 1 drink, or the top selling drink, or the drink that cannot stay on the shelf, is the drink that they call the 21 gun salute. So, when you get there, you want to tell the guy that Captain Kirk said, you want to sample the 21 gun salute. So what do you want to sample?
The 21 gun salute.
Recommended by who?
Captain Kirk.
No problem. Now, I am not going to tell you what's in the 21 gun salute. I'm going to let the guy tell you what's in it, but I'll say this.
It ain't for kids.
Yes. Why you say that? That's you correct. It's not the kids. Okay, we totally correct with that one. But it is our top seller. Everybody that comes there want a sample of the 21 gun salute. Okay, that's the number 1 seller. Boy, I hope I ain't gonna get this from me. I hope this gate is open. Okay, so look like it's open. We're not stopping here. Okay, this is the government building. This is called this is the Ministry of Health. Okay, here in the Bahamas. So TCTs. Oh, it's closed. Oh man. Boy, get they don't open.
They ain't gonna open it for you?
No, I tried. But
I
I tried last week.
the,
They telling me no.
Thought you was the man, Captain
Well,
Kirk.
yeah, I thought I was too. But the school ain't at the gate.
Now, how you gonna include that in? How you gonna tell us about that in this clothes?
Which one?
Tasty teas.
The TCTs?
We're going. You just gotta go another way.
No, we going there. No,
we gotta go another way because the gate closed.
We still going to TCTs. No, we still again. That's the gate closed to get to TCTs. We just go around to get to it. No, no.
He was trying to take a shortcut. They said not the
name.
name.
Get you there, that's all. So, like I said, the top seller will be the 21 gun salute. That's the main seller. But like I said, these are all natural juice. Now, everybody can sample, including the kids. Now, if you want alcohol in this drink, you could, but these are not alcohol beverages. But if you want to add some local rum to it, they do that for you. Okay? So these are all natural Bahama fruits and bush that grows here on the island. Okay? So, ladies and gentlemen, this stop will last for maybe 5 to 10 minutes. This will be a guided stop. Okay? So that's coming up here right around. I'm going to make a little deep. This is me to get to it, but I try to take a little shortcut. Okay, so we are going to stop here maybe for 5 or 10 minutes. And then we move on here at Tasty Teas. Yeah, Tasty Teas. Yeah, back like that, eh? Wow. That's a serious package of that. Alright, so